Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So we are back from our first ever Princess cruise on board the Ruby Princess. Now we are going to be doing a live video this Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Time, for anybody that would like to come and join us. And we're going to talk all about our very first experiences on board Princess Cruise Lines, likes, dislikes, and what we thought about it. So I encourage everybody to come and join us for that. Now, on to our story for today. I was going through the internet after we got home, reading through some cruise pages, and I came across a little something that we all need to know because, well, this could be something that could happen to any one of us. This isn't just going to necessarily be an isolated case. This could happen to anybody. So let's take a look at this because I want you guys to be prepared for any cruises that you have coming up. I am so furious and upset. I got kicked off my Carnival cruise ship today. Just unceremoniously dumped on the dock with all of my luggage. Just left to make my own way home at my own expense with no help from Carnival. They just gave me some flimsy excuses like, it's disembarkation day. Your cruise is over. The new passengers are trying to board for their cruise. Well, can y'all believe it? Just kicked off your cruise ship because it is disembarkation day. All right, hopefully everybody has figured out already that this was purely just a joke. This was just a little meme that I read on Carnival's Facebook page. I don't know originally where it came from, but it really made me laugh. So I wanted to come on here this morning and share with you guys. So just a joke. Just a Monday morning laugh for everybody out there because, yeah, on disembarkation day, it does kind of feel like they are just booting you from the cruise ship. So hopefully everybody took this as funny. Hopefully nobody took this as serious. So I'll say it again. This was just purely a Monday morning joke. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this morning's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day and have yourselves a really great week. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.